Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to connect wireless Rode mic me to my Mac and record the video and voice quality we are receiving different level. So how to connect, we will see detailed demonstration as well as I will provide you demo also of the voice, which types of voice I am receiving. So how to connect? This is one is a transmitter and one is a receiver, and inside the box they are providing C to C cable. Using this cable you can very easily connect. So first of all I will connect here the receiver. This is the receiver and we can start both as simultaneously. 1, 2, 3. Both devices connected, and now this is C port and my Mac. This is my MacBook Pro M3. I just simply put it here. Now it's connected. And now I just simply record the screen. So now I connect this device on my Mac and just simply I record one of the file here. So this is a demo file of wireless Rode mic me after connecting my MacBook Pro M3. So which types of voice you are receiving of this Rode mic. So which voice is the best for your YouTube video? You decide, and after that you purchase this product. Where you purchase this product, link is available on video description. Click and purchase very easily in affordable price. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.